Now let's turn our attention to scanning. So scanning is a different skill to skimming. So what is it? Well, scanning is reading through a text quickly to find one specific piece of information. So if you remember, skimming was to build a general picture of a whole text. Scanning is looking for something very small, one specific piece of information. So you're not trying to read everything, you're just quickly trying to find that one thing. So when should we scan? Well, to find part of a text which contains an answer. So you might think, okay, I need something that's talking about doctors' opinions. And so you quickly look through for like a doctor's name or the word doctor or something like that. To look for one specific piece of information. For example, it could be a number, a date, or a name. So if the question asks you to find a number, numbers are easy to see in text, so you can quickly just look for numbers, find the number, and then hopefully see and check if that's the correct answer. So let's look at how to scan. So the first thing we need to do is to highlight the key words in the question. Then we need to think of synonyms for these words. So when we're saying keywords, we mean the most important words. And then once we've chosen the most important words, we need to think of synonyms, or words that have the same meaning as those words. So it's important to especially focus on numbers, dates, names of people or places, because usually you can't have synonyms for a person's name. So if someone's called Daniel, you will see the name Daniel in the text. There's not a synonym for the name Daniel. The same with places. If it's talking about New York, you will find the word New York somewhere in the text. It's very difficult to have a synonym for New York. So they can be really useful when you're scanning. Then you read through the text to find the specific piece of information. So first you need to highlight the keywords and synonyms to know what you're looking for, and then you quickly read the text to find that information.